If you want to record sounds on OPPO Reno 15, what you can do is you can go to the app drawer, and then over here you can search for the recorder. You can easily find the recorder app, and then over here if you tap on this recording button, then you should be able to start recording yourself. It's pretty simple. Of course, we also have bookmarks. We can pause at any point and then renew the recording in case you want to make a little break but you don't want to end the recording completely. And also you can use this red button with this square in order to stop the recording. Now after that we can of course play the recording quite easily by using this play button. You can tap on the recording in order to find some additional options, like for example the transcription, AI summary, AI clear voice, and so on and so forth. You can also open the list of bookmarks or marks that you have created. You can use these three dots in the upper right corner in order to, for example, use the receiver mode. You can trim the audio and, as you can see, find many different options. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.